This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I got a double stack train here in Pointe Claire, right near Des Sources overpass, at around 6 o'clock p.m. heading west. There's the ramps for Des Sources. It's in low light because now that it is September 27th, 2022, we get dark earlier. Seem to be a lot of trains today, actually. On the Bourd train, it was pretty cool. I was racing a CN train. We get off there at Valois. Well, here comes a whole ton of auto racks. Kansas City Southern. Wonder how that merger is going with CP. Looks like they're empty. Yeah, I was just walking up towards the Sources footbridge, try and get a CP train from there, and this pretty much came, so I decided I'd try and get it here too. This is Donagani Street in the foreground. I'm on the other side of Donagani, but standing on a concrete block, so I'm not getting the traffic. I'm also zoomed in a bit. So in a moment, when this train is finished, I'm going to go up on the footbridge and see if I can get the CP heading west. I noticed there's a BNSF unit in there. And that'll be train 119 that always comes around 6:30. Oh, I love the big writing. And here comes the end of the train. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.